Hello, everyone. So I've been getting a lot of inquiry, people asking how they can move down to the United States of America through study. Study is the easiest way to migrate to any country, especially the United States of America. So if your destination is the USA, then you really need to watch this video. I've done videos in the past about how to move down to the USA for free. I've shared universities in the US that provide scholarships and other forms of financial aid for international students to study free of charge. And a lot of my viewers have gone ahead to apply to these universities, and there's just been a lot of inquiry about it. So I just thought I should make a video, to show you other universities that are offering, free study to international students. So if you want to study for your bachelor's, master's, or PhD, then you really need to watch this video because I'm going to be showing you universities where you can do that with financial aid. So you don't have to break the bank to study in America. So if you want to migrate to America, this is the easiest way to do it, easiest and fastest. And studying in America is a very good way to settle in the country, get your permanent residency and your citizenship. So do watch this video if that is in your plans. If we're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this. If relocation is what you really want to do, yeah, you really need to watch a lot of videos. You can't rely on just one video. You need to arm yourself with a whole lot of information that will help your process to be faster, easier, and even cheaper. On my channel right now, I have a whole lot of videos that you can watch that are going to facilitate your migration. You're going to see videos on how to migrate without needing IELTS or without needing a job offer, how to migrate to several countries like the UK, Netherlands, Portugal, Australia, Germany, Sweden, Spain, so many countries. So you may want to watch those videos so you can know your options. If you want to migrate, for work, you want to migrate for study, or you just need change of environment, you want to take your family and go reside in a foreign country, there are videos for everybody on my channel. So do watch my existing videos and also turn on the post notifications. So every time I share a new video, you'll be notified. So you just click the notification and then watch the video. And if you want to talk to me privately, you want to talk about your personal needs when it has to do with relocation, then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. A link is in the description box on how to do that, or you send me a direct message on Instagram. So there are three ways to reach me. Either you book a consultation using the link in the description box, or you send me an email or a DM on Instagram. And if you're a returning viewer to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you do find value in my channel. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up. That is a like. It's just a way of appreciating what I do. Seeing your likes and your comments, encourage me a whole lot and motivate me to do more videos for you. So do give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. All right. So let me show you these schools real quick. So I have 4 schools for you in this video, and one of them is this particular one. You can see here your application for admission also serves as your academic scholarship application, and there is no application fee. So these are very 2 important pieces of information, right? So you're automatically considered for scholarship when you apply to the school. You don't need to do, a separate application for your scholarship. Your admission is coming with any scholarship that you merit, and then there is no application fee to the school. Applying to the school is completely free, so that is a very good one. You have nothing to lose. So they have undergraduate and graduate programs in the school. And another important information is that test scores are optional, right? Test scores are optional for applicants applying for the spring 2023 and fall 2023 semesters. So test scores are optional, okay? So now there's, when it's test optional, international students have a different requirements because of the visa requirements, right? So the student visa, you need, test scores and things like that. So for international students, it's a bit different, even though they don't require. Okay, let's read it here. International students needing a visa to study in the US cannot apply test optional. Though we do not require the SAT or ACT for them, they need to submit the TOEFL, right? That is an English language test. IELTS, transfer students who will be reviewed as first year students will need to send scores. All right.
So for international students, because of the visa requirements, you need to do the IELTS and all of that. But some countries are exempt. We'll talk about that in this video. So you don't need SAT, you don't need ACT, for your admission. It's clearly written here. So that's, still a good thing. Let's just go straight to international and see what they have for international students. So all the schools in this video have free application. They all have free application. And then, different schools will have their different requirements. All right. So let's just see, you know, the checklist for international students. The international students addendum to the application. So you can click here to see that document. Official transcripts are needed. And then proof of financial solvency, completed confidential report of proficiency in English, that is from TOEFL, IELTS, and the rest, and then a personal statement describing personal goals, professional activities, and reason for wanting to study at TLU. All right, so they also have scholarships as well. Scholarships, financial aid are all available at the school, so you can take advantage of them. Like we saw on the homepage, you're automatically considered for scholarships when you apply to the school. The name of this school is Texas Lutheran University. Texas Lutheran University. All right, so let's move over to the next school. All right, so apply now. Congratulations on making the decision. So this is a list of what you get from this school. Automatic scholarships up to 40,000 for freshmen. So it's automatic. For freshmen, you get $40,000 scholarship. Automatic scholarships up to 8,000 for transfer students. Graduate focus scholarships. No application fees. No application fees. Additional Pell Grant funding may be available this summer for those who qualify. And then ACT, SAT waivers for summer and fall. Ask about GMAT, GRE, and MAT waivers. SAT and ACT super scoring for those with scores, and then summer incentive scholarships and financial aid as well to those who qualify. So this school has said it: no application fees, automatic scholarship for of up to $40,000, and all of that. So that is all we need. And then SAT has been waived. So I think that is all we need. That is enough information. So this school is the Auburn University of Montgomery. Auburn University of Montgomery. So you can check it out. So let's see the next school. 99% of first time students receive financial aid, right? 72% of incoming freshmen receive a scholarship worth more than half of their tuition. So that is good. Okay, so let's go to admissions. They do have undergraduate and graduate programs here as well. So regardless of what you want to study, there is something for you in this school. Okay. So you can explore aid options and view programs as well. So let's see the programs. We've not seen programs for any of the schools listed. So you see architecture, biology, biotechnology, computer science, environmental design, environmental science, information security, interior architecture, management information systems, management, yeah, IT, this is business, this is IT, and then mathematics. So this is really good. And then for arts, there are three-dimensional studio arts, architecture, art therapy, arts administration. There's music theater, ceramics, studio arts, environmental design, film, TV, digital production, graphics design. The list is quite long. Theater education and all. And then for business and management, there's accounting, architecture, construction, finance, financial planning, management, hospitality management, a whole lot of them, public admin, sociology. communication, there's clinical psychology, communication sciences, English, history, journalism, psychology, religious studies, and education, another long list. So there are so many programs in this school. So I guess there is something for everyone. Then health and wellness, there's art therapy, bioethics, biology, clinical psychology, exercise science, nursing, physician, assistants, social work, sociology, a whole lot of them. And then liberal arts. I mean, this school has a lot of programs, so many programs. So you can go through it. I'm sure everybody will definitely find something that interests them. The name of this school is Marywood University. All right, Marywood University. So you can check that out. All right, so these are some quick facts. Okay, so let's see the next school. This is application fee no longer required. Good news. In an effort to reduce one of the barriers to getting a higher education, we have removed the application fee permanently. So this school, no more application fees. That is very good, right? So how to enroll? Complete the application form, the online application, you submit your transcript, and then you determine which English course or you need, and then you complete your orientation online, and then you register for classes, and then financial aid. You finalize your financial arrangements and apply for scholarships. All right, so that's how it is. So no application fees here at all. So let's see what they have for international students. Okay. So yeah, you have your application form that you fill, and then there's even these documents where you can get to see everything you need to apply as an international student. And then for English language, they have the TOEFL, and you're exempt, if the native language of your country is English, and if you can provide official college transcripts showing extensive English language studies, you may be allowed admission via an exception status. So you don't need any English language requirement. If your native language is English and you studied in English in your previous studies. So if you can provide those official transcripts that says yes, you did an extensive English language studies, then you're exempt. And then you need other documents as well. Everything is going to be in this international student information packet. So you should check that out. It's a PDF file that contains everything, every information you need to apply as an international student. Okay, so the name of the school is the Minnesota State College Southeast. Minnesota State College Southeast. Link will be in the description. So check it out, go to this school and see all the information and perhaps apply as well if it interests you.
All right, I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give the video a thumbs up. That is a like. And also share the video with others so they can apply to these schools as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you want to know other ways you can move down to the United States for free, then do watch this playlist over here to get more information. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.